And our TFC subscriber from Canada, Gladys Topolero, SBL, versus Alan Dalisay and Nancy De La Cruz from PRBD Badminions. We'd like to welcome our international player from Canada, Abby Topolero. Ang nagbabalik. Players with court number 7, ang nagbabalik. Levi Sobrera and Gladys Doctorero SBL versus Alan Dalisay and Nancy De La Cruz of PRBD Badminions. Court number 7, please. Players from court number 8, match between Joey Calisay and Des Pontemon of PBB versus Raul Rodriguez and Grace Ilagan of Badminion Hot Shots. Court number 8, please. Players from court number 8, match between Joey Calisay and Des Pontemon of PBB versus Raul Rodriguez and Grace Ilagan of Badminion Hot Shots. Court number 8, please. Players of court number 3, match between August Pagulayan and Adeline Orenhola of PSS versus Ranmel Karin and Shine Pamplona of Black Lockers. Court number 3, please. Players of court number 3, match between August Pagulayan and Adeline Orenhola of PSS versus Ranmel Karin and Shine Pamplona of Black Lockers. Court number 3, please. Paging PD, match control, please.
Yeah. Standby, court 5.
Of PSS versus Luigi De La Cruz and PB Eduardo of SBL. Players for court number 5, Derek Enosa and Lotis Sira of PSS versus Luigi and PB of SBL. Players for court number 2, Rigel Espardo and Ivy Espeleta of Badminions Genesis versus Mark Arellano and Angelica Abellera of PSG. Players for court number 2, Rigel and Ivy versus Mark and Angelica. versus Dennis Venturina and Wayne Viscoso of Tigua. Players for court number 4, William and Vines versus Dennis and Wayne.
Nag-start ka na, di ba? Bakit hindi ba ako tumingin ka sa iba? Offside ka rin. Hindi naman sila.
Hindi overall na. Out. Pagka hindi ka undecided ka rin. Unsighted. Unsighted ka mo, unsighted. Undecided. Pero official ka. Out. Yeah. Out. Sige, hindi ka sa umpire. Out. Sige, ipanindigan mo yan. Ano? Ulit! Naiintindihan? Left. Out.
Tinatawag na karma.
Tignan mo kaagad tapos pag mabilis yun.
Ikaw kasi,
Pipili sa laro, yung bola.
Players for court number 1, Jennifer Abiso and Jose Marco Cortez of SPR versus Dennis Isidoro and Amor Lamar of Lakbakan. Players for court number 1, Jennifer and Jose versus Del and Amor.
May angkin na naka-blue. Ay, puti pala. Ready. Ikaw na mag-umpire, Ogos. Oy!
yan, sobrang init kasi ng ulo.
Ready? Sure ball. Ready? Wah! Alert! Asmel!
Players for court number 6, Robert Suner.
Pag nakita mo na, huwag kang tumingin sa paligid mo, panindigan mo yung call mo. Nakakasila ng mga
Players for court number 6, Robert Suner and Caroline Banosong of PSG versus Felix C. Baguio and Mercy R.